Kneeling lat row. We're going to be hopping off the back of the cable lat row, butting our hip into the chair. Butting our hip into the chair, opposing leg's going to be coming forward, and then we're going to grab the cable. You might need to grab it first and then kind of set up. This is going to have us super stable in our positioning. When most people screw their lat or their back rows is they pull their arm or their elbow as far back as they possibly can, which is not what the lat does. We don't want to be going all the way back here. We also don't want to be getting a bunch of this rotation whilst we're rowing. That's just going to be taking tension off of the lat. That means we're going to train it suboptimally. So what we want to do is we want to pull back and we want to focus on driving our elbow down as much as we're focusing on driving it back, right? Which means essentially pulling it, the prompt is pull your elbow to your pocket, yeah? So try and land your elbow in your pocket. As you row back, should look like this. So I'm going to set up, back and down at the same time, drawing down and back. You can see my elbow's not passing my back yet. It's not going past my back. Just like that. Your lat also attributes to scapular depression, so pulling your scap or your shoulder blade down. So it's better to go single armed because then we can slightly get that hunch to the side, pull that shoulder blade down, and we're going to get our lat even shorter than we usually would if we were upright.